Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So in today's episode, I'm going to share my summer makeup look with you. It's super easy, super quick, and I'm just going to use a tint to do my eyes, lips and cheeks. It's going to make your life super easy. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. That was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, don't forget to join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.